shoulders. Tell me what you see. 'Cause I am.
Good morning. Welcome to day 5 on the Gander Wilson holiday. Today we have muffins for breakfast.
Ooh, tasty. So we got, what's it got in it?
These are egg, ham and cheese.
Nice. So we're cooking up some. I've already had a bite out of mine and I'll tell you it tastes
McDonald's
lovely.
special variety.
It does. It sure does. Let's go check on the girls. Say good morning to the peeps.
Morning, peeps.
Looks like they're playing a bit of pool.
And Ice won.
Grace won.
Not fair. We were so close. Actually, it was because I kept moving balls for her.
By the way, it's breakfast time, so you may want to wait until the end.
Guess what? I moved 2 balls the other way. And I moved the ball to hit hers. So, it was her.
Right. Come on
But
then.
we were both aiming for the
Careful,
back
Grace.
again. At one point, we were aiming for the back. And then I was like, boom.
Right. Right, guys, we're just about to leave. We're all changed and ready for today.
Yeah.
And we've got all our stuff that we need.
Sun cream
So we're going to Animal Kingdom today, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, and we're going to be... I think the first fast pass is...
Don't know.
Don't know. Do you know?
No.
Do you know? Lee, do you know?
I can't remember.
No.
The last one's the safari.
Yeah, I know that. Is it the Navi River? Might be the Navi River.
Yeah, probably is.
But they're all pretty much water rides apart from
It's
the
the
safari.
sunniest day of the week so
Holiday
far.
yeah.
So we're all lotioned up, sorry, and yeah, it's good that today is a water ride day, isn't it? Because
Yes. To cool
yeah.
us off.
Exactly.
It's all water apart from the last one, which is safari, but
Yeah.
that'll be like in towards the evening, which will mean it's like more cooler.
I hope you guys liked yesterday's starting vlog with the pool. Today we were unable to do the pool because we're leaving earlier.
It was fun filming it.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it?
It was so fun.
But yeah, so we're gonna try and get some more pool footage at some other stage. But breakfast was lovely, wasn't it?
Oh, that was so nice.
Yeah.
Did you get any footage of that?
Yes, I think I did. Yeah.
Hope you liked that if you did.
Yeah.
If you did.
But no, that was really nice. So, oh yeah, I didn't film it, but Lee caught a lizard in the corner, and like he found it really difficult to catch. But when he captured it, all like the feet was all like sticky, and yeah, so he threw it outside to let it out because it was stuck in there. But there we go.
Oh, the first one's the rapid.
First one's Rapids, and
Then
then
it's the
Navi River.
Then it's the safari.
Yeah. But yeah, so that is all cool,
Yeah.
and we are ready to We're in Animal Kingdom. It's very jungly. Me and Lee got beat, plainly because I left my phone in my pocket and Lee had a belt on. But apart from that, it's all good. All good. The Tree of Life ahead of us. It's pretty cool. Going towards there now, but it's our first spot scene. There's a blue magpie in here. Blinking.
As a reminder, choose must be one at all times.
About to go up. Splash proof.
I said that to him. That's the one you're using. You want to mind if you rub a hand.
Be fine. Oh, here we go, we're going up.
I'm wet.
Me and you are going to get splashed at the top. I'm not too wet.
You're quite happy going in the swimming pool yesterday. Yeah, I like that.
Oh look, we're already going through a thing, Mum.
Oh, where are we going to get wet?
Yeah, you're going to get soaked. Look,
Am I?
look behind you. I didn't get too bad, but I'm gonna get the worst of it now, though. We're turning round. Oh my goodness, look. Look behind you. Whoa. Whoa.
Until it comes in that gap.
Whoa!
Your turn.
My back is soaking.
Good.
My back is soaking.
Well, we're about to go downhill. Oh no, please turn. Please turn, let me go on in. Yes, 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 yes. I'm soaked. Oh no, we're about to get sprinkled on. Ah! Yeah, my shorts are soaked. Uh-oh, uh-oh. The sprinkler. Oh no! Duck! Oh yeah! Oh, we were lucky there, we were lucky there.
Oh my goodness! What are we doing?
Oh my goodness.
I don't think you could do this more than once, could you?
Oh, I'd love to.
Whoa.
This is my, I've always liked these sort of rides.
What? Wet rides.
Oh, I love the rapid ones.
My watch is soaked.
I think that's all focused.
Is that it? Oh, Oh no, we're gonna get stuck under the elephant. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like this anymore. Move! Oh my goodness! I'm soaked. Oh no! Oh thank goodness! Thank goodness we're out the way of that. So we just got soaked on that ride.
Just slightly. My hair had just dried after washing it.
And then it just got spoilt by the, well, it didn't get spoilt as such, but you know. Enjoy that, mate?
Yeah, that's good.
Right at the end, I'm not sure if you saw, but the elephant was just sprinkling all over us. That was quite annoying, but it was still good fun. The crazy views we're coming across, not this one, and there's another one over here as well. Look at that, it's really nice.
Alright, now, before we continue, look, it's Kevin! Everybody say hi, Kevin!
Hi, Kevin!
Oh, I'm so glad. All right, guys, if you got a
Now this next one's all on you. Let's see what you got. Whoa.
too hot, say no.
All right, here it comes. Nice and loud. Could not be a sacred place in so
Wow.
It's kind of gross, but hey, it's a very important job because by cleaning up all those leftovers, they're helping to stop the spread of disease. And nothing to the world, and everything is recycled with these.
Hi there. I like the birdies.
They like you, Don. Proud to train is the national flag of Uganda, a country in Africa where they're practically royalty with a tall golden crown.
A bald birdie?
Well, no, bald eagles aren't actually bald. My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She is so majestic and so inspiring too. You know, not only bald eagles, they are on the endangered species list.
Keen to see the Nemo thing. What we're doing next, so we're having an ice cream. What's it called? Cookie.
It's an ice cream cookie sandwich.
Yeah, sounds really nice. So can't wait to have one of them. So just waiting for that now.
And then at 6, we've got a farm.
Yeah, so we'll be going to that as well.
Which is a safari.
So it should be a cool safari ride. So this is what we've got. And wow, they are massive. Millie's taking hers off. It's very difficult to eat.
Are you not eating it like a...
Mum, what have you
No,
got?
what I'm
I've
doing.
got a hot chocolate sundae.
Nice. There's like this American crocodile. You know America have crocodiles? There's one of them. Just queuing for the safari ride, and there was no point in getting a fast pass for it because basically it's a 20-minute wait, but they're all merged in at the bottom, and all the other queuers down here already, so yeah, it's a bit of a waste, but there you go. Never mind, we didn't know, so we're just waiting for our safari truck now.
Oh my goodness, look at the size of that.
A good portion of them, they are out on land right now as well. And the Nile crocodile, they're the largest African species of crocodile. Sorry, I guess I say this. So these smaller animals, these are the springbok. They are fully grown at 3 feet tall, so that is as big as they're going to get. A lot of people think they're babies, but they're not. They're fully grown, they're adults, I promise. They are one of the fastest land animals. They can run at speeds of 50 to 60 miles per hour, which is probably why a lot of African sports teams like use them as their mascot. And they can spring up into the air 6 feet and leap forward 13 feet. Giraffes, they also have the same number of bones in their necks as animals. To our right-hand side, these are the bontebok. You can only find them on reserves like this because they're pretty much gone out in the wild. And in the early 20th century, there was only 17 of them left in the wild, and it wasn't until a farmer decided to take it upon himself to use his protected land to try and help bring them back. And you get a good look at that white rhino there on our right-hand side. And white rhinos, they are a lot more social animals, unlike their cousin, the black rhino. Now, we didn't see the black rhino today, but a very solitary animal can usually be found by itself.
Right guys, we're done for today. We didn't vlog the dinosaur ride at the end, but that was really good actually. Mum was quite scared of it because she thought it was going to be a big drop. But in the end, it was actually quite slow, but quite rocky.
She liked it.
She liked it in the end. But
Got
so
a new hat, didn't you?
yeah, I got a new hat. Right here.
We got our friends some gifts.
And then, so we are going to go home and we're going to have
Go in
dinner.
the pool. Fingers crossed in
And
the pool.
possibly go in the pool, but I'm probably not going to film that because, you know, it takes a bit of effort and we just want to have a lazy pool time. So that's
we
our
do.
whole plan.
Because we might not, we might do.
Yeah, but it depends what, like, you know,
The timing.
depends what time and temperature it is really. So that's what we're going to do. It's 8 o'clock already. So. Right, let's get... Right guys, it's the end of the vlog. Hope you like the background. The pool lights are on.
Yeah.
And
If you can hear the sound, it's really cool.
yeah,
And
it's very nice.
the reason why we're being a bit quiet is because it's kind of getting late and there are people around us and we don't know what kind of age of people are around. So,
And it's very nice out here, isn't it?
yeah.
But we're about to have some pasta.
Yeah, we're going to have some
Cooked
dinner
by
and
Mum.
we're going to chill.
So that should be pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah, look at the pool lights. They're really cool actually. I really like them. They almost, that one flashes really cool, and then this one just changes colours every now and then. Well, either that or it just stays still. I can't remember, but still,
I think
it looks
still because...
looks really nice. Oh no, I remember it changing colour the other night. But there you go. Anyways, so thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good.